श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं दिभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां यो नित्यम् अच्युतपदां भुजयुग्मरुक्म व्यामोहदस्ततितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयेकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये मातापिता युवतयस्तनया विभूतिः सर्वं यदेव नियमेन मदन्वयानाम् आद्यस्य नः कुलपतेर्बहुलाभिरामं श्रीमत्तदङ्घ्रियुगलं प्रणमामि मूर्ध्ना बोधं सरश्च महदाह्वयभट्टनाथ श्रीभक्तिसारकुलशेखरयोगिवाहान् भक्ताङ्घ्रिरेणुपरकाल यतीन्द्रमिश्रान् श्रीमत्पराङ्कुशमणिं प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम् नीलातुङ्गस्तनगिरिदडी सूक्तमुत्पोक्त्य कृष्णं भारार्त्यं स्वं श्रुति सदशिरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वोच्छिष्टायां सृजनिगलितं या बलात्कृतय पुङ्क्ते गोदा तस्यै नम इदमिदं भूय एवास्तु भूयः. Namaskaram to all. Continuing our great Prabandham of Tirupavai, we finished up to 15th Pashurams, where 10 different girls have been woken up by Andal. That shows the great Prabhavam of Bhagavata Sambandham, which we call it out as getting together with all the adiyars, the devotees of Sriman Narayanan, and taking them as the first step towards the journey of reaching Emperaman. Andal did the journey also, going to all the 10 different girls who represents the 5 lakhs ladies in the Ayarpadi in the Dwapara Yukam. So she did that step, and in the process, she also mentioned a lot of good messages and how one should live, the good characters of those girls, and she also praised their devotion to Emperaman in that. So this is some of those learnings that we took from those 10 Pashurams. That's so Tirupavai in the first 5 Pashurams, she did the Mangalasasana of Emperaman. Then in the next 10 Pashurams, she used that 10 Pashurams with the 10 different girls to praise the devotions of those adiyars. Now it is the 16th Pashuram, the Pashuram of the day today, where she goes one level up, and she goes and wakes up. Whenever you are visiting somebody's house, she is going to visit Kannan's house to wake him up. So Kannan's house is guarded by the security guards, whom we call it out as the Dwarapalakas, which Jaya Vijayas are Dwarapalakas, their name, who guards the temples. If you visit the temples of Kannan, you would see that one on the entrance of the temple itself, the 2 of those persons will be standing who on the front door of the temple, and those people are called as the Dwarapalakas. So she is going and requesting them to open the door in this Pashuram. Let us do the Anusanthanam of this Pashuram and see the meaning. நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்த கோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, கொடித்தோன்றும் தோரணவாயில் காப்பானே, மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்திரவாய் ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு அரைபறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நன்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான், தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயரப் பாடுவான் வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மா, நீ நேய நிலைக்கதவும் நீக்கேடோர் எம்பாவாய். So she starts with, she's going to the Nandagopan. It is a place where Kannan is there, no? He is with Nandagopan and Yashoda. So now she is in the current Kaliyugam. She takes the Srivilliputturu temple, Padabhadrashayi Emperaman Sittirukoil, the temple of Sri Padabhadrashayi as the Nandagopan Sittirumalige. That is the house she is. But in her thinking, she is keeping the Kannan's house in the Ayarpadi, what happened in the Dwapara Yukam. So she is describing, she is now going into near to the house. Nayakanai Nindra Nandagopanudeya Koyil. Nayakan, he is the one, the supreme God, the one who is above of all of them. But that person's, the Thirumalige Nandagopan, who is the father of Emperaman Sriman Narayanan Kannan, and that type of house, and you are protecting whom? The supreme God, Emperaman Sriman Narayanan, the Kannan who is sleeping inside. Koil Kapan is the security guards, the guards who are the Dwarabalakar. We call it out as the Dwara Seshihal in Tamil. They are called as Jaya Vijayas also. The two people who stands in front of the door, and Andal knows that one. There is a procedure by which you enter a house. So she doesn't skip all those things. She is a Dibya Magishi of Sri Vaikuntham. If she likes, then she can go directly into Kannan's Sri Vaikuntham and stay, but she just wanted to follow the procedures. The Vadvara Balakas, she is going and requesting them. So she is telling them, please, Manikadavam Tazhiravai. She is asking them, please, the beautiful door, which has been decorated with all type of ornaments and bells. So please open that door of Embaraman Kannan, Nandagopan's house, and open that one. So she is telling that one, this is Nandagopala's house, the parents' house, and Kannan is inside. So please open that one because we have to go and meet him. So these Dwarabalakas have got a great respect, because Kannan himself in the Dwapara Yugam, when he was there, he had a sister called Subhadra. So he liked to marry Subhadra to Arjuna of the Pandavas. So to make that happen, so he did a small drama. So he asked Arjuna to come as a saint to Dwarakai, the way the Subhadra is there, because Balaraman is the brother of Kannan. So Balaraman, Kannan and Subhadra are there in Dwarakai, and so Arjuna, he came as a saint, just acting as a saint, and he came to that place of Dwarakai. Then Balaraman heard of that one without knowing this drama of Kannan. Oh, there is a new saint who has come to our place, and we have to go and get the blessings of this saint. So he called Kannan and Subhadra together to go there. Kannan, knowing this one, so he said that when I don't come, I'm not coming, please go and visit the saint. So he just wanted to avoid going there, because his plan is that Subhadra visits that saint, to see that saint. No? So Balaraman takes the Subhadra, the sister, and then go visits that saint. And then after visiting, the Subhadra sees the saint first time, Arjuna, okay, in that form. And then after praying, then the Balarama, as a respect, he invites that saint to come to his house, where Kannan is also there. So Arjuna comes there, and then Kannan, so the Kannan's plan is that Arjuna comes there and spends time with Subhadra, so that Subhadra likes Arjuna, and then he can make sure that one, Arjuna and Subhadra can get married. During that times, then Kannan made a plan. Balarama, we have some work to do. Let's go out and do the work while the saint is doing the puja here. So then he took Balarama and he went out, and there were two guards who were protecting the Dwarakai, and Kannan very secretly telling them there is a saint and Subhadra inside the house. They may not go out, but if they go out alone, please do not stop them. Let them go, because they are the protectors. So he wanted Arjuna to take Subhadra and to go and get married. So that way he made a plan with this, and the guards who allowed Subhadra and Arjuna to go out at that time to make them get married is the dream that Andal here refers to, that these Dwarapalakas will allow her to get to Kannan and get married with Kannan. And that is the dream that Acharyas connect. You see how she is going and praying the Dwarapalakas, because they are the one who are in the first entry as a security guard, which can be understood as a meaning, but she takes it very smartly, because you made Arjuna and Subhadra to get married, and I'm interested in marrying Kannan. So please make sure that one, you allow me inside so that I can go and meet Kannan, is what that they have got that great explanation here onto this line. Manikadavam Tazhiravai. So please open the door and we need to get into Kannan. Who are you then? The guards are asking. I don't know about you. So you have to tell whom, and have you got the permission to meet Kannan here? So we are Ayar Chirimiyarom. Next one, Ayar means we are the Gopikas who are coming from the Ayar party. Then the gods didn't believe that one. So even because the Bhutanai, the Rakshasi who came, she also took a form of a normal Gopika, and then she came inside and then she gave a poisoned milk to Kannan. So the god said, no, we screen people, and then even Bhutanai came with that type of acting. So I cannot believe. So they do not want to believe that. So this is the way that they describe. But then Andal tells, we are Chirimiyaro. Chirimi means we are small girls. Bhutanai was a big lady who came in that form. But can you look us that? We are small girls, she says. Because when you say small boys, even in the younger age of Kannan, when they were all playing together, there were certain Rakshasas who came in the form of a small boys to kill Kannan. So the security guards will not believe. Jaya Vijaya Dwarapalakas will not believe. So she took a word. We are small girls. Small girls never do harm to Kannan. So she took that word, Ayat Chirimiyaro. That means we are a Gopikas, but we are small girls. We are not like a Bhutanai who made a trick to come inside as a big lady inside that. So please, we are not that type of a small boys who to the Rakshasas took the small form of a boys to kill Kannan. So we are really Kannan's devotees. That's how she is explaining. Arai parai Mayan Manivannan Nennale Vainendan. Then she tells, you can also believe that one when we were all playing together, because the Gopikas, when they were young and they were all playing together with Kannan, Kannan used to tell them, hey, you can come to my house anytime. You just knock and come. So we tell many people, no, feel free to come to our house. Like that, that day, he told us we could come and anytime and meet him in his house. So we are here, but you are not opening the door. That's what she's telling. Arai parai, Mayan Manivannan. That's again, she's using the word Mayan. Manivannan is another Thirunamam she is introducing about Embaraman. Nennale Vainendan. Kannan has told us once when we were all together playing. So maybe on that those days there were no visiting card or anything to show a photo or anything, but he has promised us anytime we could come and visit him, and we are here to visit him. So please believe us. We are friends of Kannan. We are devotees of Kannan. We are the Gopikas from the Ayar party, and we are small girls. So this is what she is telling about that. Tuyomai Vandom, we have come here with a pure heart. We have done all the, even from physically, we have taken bath and we are very pure, and inside soul also we are very pure. All these Bhagavatame, the 10 girls are the devotees of Kannan, and we wanted to enjoy the Prabhabam of Kannan. So that is the reason. Tuyiladappadavan, we have come to wake him up, wake Kannan up, because we have woken up very early in the morning, and we are here to wake up Kannan, to chant the Tirunamam of Kannan and to get his blessings. That is the only purpose with which we have come. So the security guards or the Dwarapalakas, they are asking so many questions. Who are you? Then they wanted to make sure that this is the right people. They have not taken a different form. So they are doing such a great kainkariam to Kannan. Kannan can protect. He is a supreme of everything. So he is a protector of everything. But they have been given the duty of protecting that the whole Tirumaligai of Nandagopan. That means they are doing the duty as a kainkariam to Kannan. So they are doing it very, very perfectly. And that's what even Dwarapalakas do here. Vayal munnam munnam maatrade amma. Please do not say us, go. We cannot let it go. So many of the security guards, no, we cannot let it go. No, they say that please go back. No? That type of, so please do not deny the entry to Kannan's Tirumaligai. We have come all the way to enjoy his Prabhavam. So she is explaining. So what a great character Andal is telling about. She is growing. Even the Dwarapalakas are doing the Kainkariam to Kannan, and such a great Divya Magishi of Sri Vaikuntham, she is coming here and taking the form of Andal in the Kali Yugam, and as for all the Jivatmas, she is going and doing those steps, and she is even doing the steps of going and requesting the Dwarapalakas to open the door. For that, she is explaining so much about herself, whom she is, and that is the greatness of Andal in this Pashuram. Vayal munnam munnam matradiyamma, please do not say, please go away. Ni neye nilakkadavum ni kelor embhavai. That means, with your permission, please open the door and allow us to get inside to the house of Emperor Kannan, and your permission is greatly required. So you see that one, that is the way by which each of the devotees of Kannan has to be given respect, irrespective of what they Kainkaryam they are doing. They are devotees. Emperuman Sriman Narayanan, he gets so much of a happiness by which that when his own devotees are being praised, with the true devotees, we are talking about the true devotees who are doing the Kainkaryam, they are given the respect, and through them, if you are doing that type of a prabhavam, Kannan likes it, Emperuman likes it, until repeatedly she tells about that type of the Bhagavata Sambandham. This is what in Tamil we say, through the devotees' relationship and their lotus feet, the acharyas, who are the living devotees or the true devotees of Emperuman, with their lotus feet and with their bhakti, we could get that one also, because how the waves takes away automatically into the water or anything, their bhakti takes us together towards the Emperuman Sriman Narayanan, is what that the great way that it is one of the important Pashuram in Tirupavai, because she is going into the Dwarapalaka's lotus feet, and then she is requesting and asking the Dwarapalaka to open the door. Now, after authenticating all these things perfectly, the Dwarapalakas, the guards, they open the door for Andal and the 10 girls to let, because they believed these are all true devotees of Kannan, and they are not going to do any harm for Kannan. After doing all those checks, then they allowed Andal and these 10 girls to get inside the Nandagopan, the parents' house there, where they are all inside sleeping. And now they are going to go into the house, and how they are going to wake up Kannan. Directly they cannot go to wake up Kannan. Their parents are there. His brother Balaraman is there, and then Kannan is sleeping. So she also doesn't do that step of directly going and in an excitement waking up Kannan, but she is going to wake up her parents, and the next step of one by one. So she is going to do that one. We will enjoy how she is entering the house and going to wake them up in the next Pashuram. Now she entered the Tirumaligai of Nandagopan, where Kannan is sleeping. And then tomorrow's Pashuram, we will see how she is going to wake them up and praising what are all the different characters of those parents also. She is going to talk about in the next Pashuram. We will enjoy that in the next part. Srimati Ramanujaya Namaha. ஆழ்வார்கள் திருவடிகளே சரணம், எம்பெருமானார் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஆச்சாரியன் சுவாமி திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
Thank you.